Okay, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to do my first unboxing video, and mainly I didn't think that I would do any unboxing videos, but I'm super excited about this purchase. It is a Echo Park Carta mystery box. So you spend a certain amount of dollars, I think it's like $50. This one happened to come with free shipping, so it must have been $50. And you get over $100 worth of product. I don't usually do mystery box purchases because I'm not super into, getting things that I don't really like a lot. But in this case, Carta and Echo Park, I like 90% of their stuff. And so I think I'm really going to enjoy this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and open it up and get started and see what I got. So the first thing I got was removed from its packaging, which is no big deal, but it is this super cute mermaid washi tape. I don't do a lot of mermaid, but I do have a few pages of this collection that I bought as individual sheets, so that's super exciting. That'll be fun. Next, I have a Old World Travel embossing folder. Let's see if we can see what it looks like. Oh, there's a picture of what it looks like. That's pretty cool. I like to have a few embossing folders in my collection, and this particular one is, sorry about the glare, kind of a neutral theme. It doesn't, I could use it on a lot of different projects, so I like that. Oh, I love my cat. So that's exciting. Of course, you may know by my other videos that I like cats and I like the cat paper. So this is super cute. That's cool. I have another embossing folder. This is from the Petticoats and Pinstripes collection. Oh, and it is it a rocket ship? Oh, that's pretty cute. I don't know that I'll use that a lot, but I do have some papers that are rocket ship, kind of mid-century modern Astro theme, so that might go with that. You may have seen that this was stuck to that, but it is adhesive brads from the Summertime collection. I'm not super into pineapples with sunglasses, but some of these are really cute. Of course, I love a summer-themed book or mini album, and, these will be nice on some cards, too, to make them seem super fancy. I don't buy a lot of these brads and some of the other things that come along with the paper packs or that are in the collections. Mostly I stick to the paper and the stickers that come with it, and sometimes the ephemera packs, but I don't get these very often, so that'll be fun to use. Now I have some chipboard accents, and I know this is weird and hard to see. I do have this collection. I don't know how much of this collection I have left. I know that I have this stamp set in particular because I love using the Santa's Toy Shop stamp for gift tags. So that'll be fun. Next, I have another set of chipboard accents, and this is from the Fall is in the Air collection. I have the 6x6 of this, some of it anyway, and I really do always love fall paper. Something happens to me at the end of the summer where in fall, I go from I just want to craft every day to I just want to craft every day, all day long, and into the evening and not do other things. So I don't know if that has to do with the season or mental health or what, but I really do love this set. All right. So I have some other little things here. They're not really little. These are cute, mini paper fans. So these are like rosettes that also have like a chipboard topper on top of them. And of course, again, there's glare. But these are from the Once Upon a Time set. I actually have, I think I have this entire set, and I think I got it at like Tuesday morning, but, or the paper collection anyway. And I really like it. It's really kind of fun, and they are less, you know, feminine and more either neutral or masculine designs in the collection. So that's good. Now I have Puffy Stickers. I was really excited when Puffy Stickers started coming back. Sorry about the glare. I don't use a lot of them, but they really remind me of my childhood. And this particular collection, I don't have any of. I think it's called Hello Christmas. It's a Carta one. But they're super cute. And then there are some images or stickers here that will kind of fit with any Christmas collection or winter collection, excuse me. All right. Remember this moment. So these are memos. So they're like, they're called 3x4 designer cards. They are like scrapbooking journal cards. They also seem to, you know, be easy to use as card fronts or parts of card fronts, which is what I usually do. This is part of the Happy Go Lucky collection, and I am not familiar with that collection at all. So that'll be cool to kind of look into and see if I can still get some of the other products for that. This is part of the Through the Year 4x6 pocket page cards. So, ooh, this is fun. So I assume, yeah, every month is here. So this is really good to make a, like a calendar or a mini album that features either one month or you know, has a section or layout for every single month. So that'll be awesome. I really have wanted to do that recently, so that'll be fun. Next, I have the Little Lumberjack 6x6. I really love this collection. There is a Lumberjack collection, and then there is a Little Lumberjack collection, which are, you know, close to each other, and so they kind of work really well with each other. But this one is outdoor themed. It is, I guess you would consider it a little more masculine. It has, you know, bears and moose and deer, I think, and is really fun. I look forward to using this one. And got some of the Summertime Enamel Dots, so that's cool. I'll use that with those other chipboard stickers. These all right, now to 12x12 stuff. There's an advertisement here, of course, to join the Club EP, which gives you discounts, and you get, I think, first dibs on kits when they come out quarterly, or however often they come out. Like I said, I would say 90% of the stuff that Echo Park produces, especially since they are what I would call heavy in right now, where Carta is doing a lot of the Stephen Duncan mid-century modern looking stuff, because I love that. That's my favorite right now. Here we have some die cuts. Now these look like sticker sheets that just don't have the adhesive on them. I'm not sure how that works, but this one is from, I'm not sure, is it The Adventure Awaits? This looks like Adventure Awaits. And then we have this is a Stephen Duncan one. This is from one of those travel collections. And those don't really fit in the screen. Then I have a few, 1, 2, 3, just a few pages of this particular sheet, which is super cute. That is from A Walk in the Park, and I really like these guys. I like anything that just puts a pop of color but isn't too like busy, that has a lot of white space. Here I have 1, 2, 3 of these sticker sheets. I really, of course, love Lori Whitlock, and I got 3 of the same sheet of stickers that are from the Summer Bliss collection. These are super cute, and they have a lot of kind of nautical and beach themed stuff. And for whatever reason, probably because I like a banner, I also love anything that's clipped to a clothesline and hanging like that. So I love that. I've got the full collection of Good Day Sunshine. I like the paper collection, not the entire line, but this one is really fun. And this is another summer one that doesn't have pineapples with sunglasses on it. I have some of these sheets though that I bought individually. I love these little campers, and really think that I could do a fun mini album for a vacation, summer vacation for someone. So I'll probably do that. Here's Getaway. This one is super fun. I like the kind of travel theme, even though I don't really travel very far. So it's pretty fun. And these, I would say, compared to other Carta or Echo Park designs, are very different. Anytime it's very masculine or very, you know, not cutesy or anime-like or cartoony, I think they stand out to me. This one is Birthday Wishes. Always need birthday cards in the collection, so that's what I'll do with this. It looks like, I really like these teal colors, this light blue, sea foam, whatever those colors are. So I guess this is the blue collection. It doesn't say boy, but I'm assuming that this is the girl collection because it's more pink and has, you know, some lighter colors in it. And it says Queen for a Day. Spring Market, I love. I have some of this, but not the entire collection, so I'm going to look forward to using this one. And lastly, these two are super exciting. These are ones that I was kind of talking about a second ago. Country Kitchen, Stephen Duncan. So I have one of these, but I've been reluctant to cut it apart. So this is great because I want to do recipe books and I want to use this paper. So now I have another set. So that's great. And then I have this one as well. But like I said, I'm hoarding it. I love it. I hardly have been using it. So I love these little guys. They have the squirrel with the attitude. I have the stamp set for this one. And it's just a really kind of fun adventure set. So that is my haul, my unboxing of my Echo Park mystery box. I think that because I like most of their stuff so much, and I knew that already, that the value for $1, the return on investment is great for me. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.